In a major step toward defense self-sufficiency, Turkey has successfully tested its most advanced bomb system to date on a fighter jet, marking a new chapter in its rapidly expanding aerospace and defense capabilities. The test, conducted in secret at an undisclosed airbase, involved a precision-guided bomb designed entirely by Turkish engineers, blending cutting-edge technology with local innovation. Developed under a secret program reportedly known as Göktuğ Strike, the bomb is said to be compatible with a variety of aircraft platforms, including the F-16 Fighting Falcon, Bayraktar AKINCI, and the upcoming KAAN 5th-generation fighter jet. Its modular design allows for the integration of various guidance systems, from GPS ions to laser and infrared seekers, depending on mission requirements. Defense sources confirmed that during the test, the bomb was released from a Turkish F-16 at high altitude and successfully hit a simulated bunker target located more than 60 kilometers away. The strike demonstrated not only pinpoint precision, but also the system's ability to adapt to dynamic flight environments. Defense experts described the weapon as a next-generation smart bomb, capable of adjusting its trajectory mid-flight, evading counterattacks, and striking targets with exceptional accuracy even under electronic warfare conditions. The test, witnessed by senior Turkish Ministry of Defense officials and leading defense companies such as ASELSAN, TÜBİTAKSAGE, and ROKETSAN, was hailed as a breakthrough achievement for the country's Air Force. For years, Turkey has intensified its efforts to achieve full self-sufficiency in weapons production. From drones and missiles to radar systems and avionics, the country has gradually reduced its reliance on foreign suppliers. The recent test of the bomb system is one of the most ambitious milestones in this journey, showcasing a weapon that not only meets but exceeds international standards for precision-guided munitions. What makes this new bomb system revolutionary is its AI-assisted guidance and data link communication, which allows for real-time updates during descent. The internal processor can receive commands in flight from the pilot or ground control, allowing course corrections and target adjustments even after release. Furthermore, this bomb features low observability technology, which reduces its radar signature and makes it less detectable by enemy air defenses. This is crucial in modern warfare. Scenarios where radar and infrared tracking systems have become increasingly sophisticated. A senior engineer from TÜBİTAKSAGE explained that this project combines artificial intelligence, smart sensors, and adaptive control algorithms. The weapon's guidance system uses an advanced image recognition module to identify and lock onto specific targets such as enemy vehicles, bunkers, or air defense installations. The system doesn't just follow pre-programmed coordinates. It thinks, the engineer proudly explained. If the target moves or a decoy is deployed, the bomb recalculates its trajectory within milliseconds. This test is part of a larger modernization effort, including equipping Turkey's fighter jets and unmanned aerial vehicles with locally produced munitions. The Bayraktar AKINCI and Bayraktar Kızılelma drones have been equipped with precision-guided bombs such as the MT and Tabor, both of which have proven highly effective in operations. However, this latest bomb represents a completely new level of destructive capability and autonomy. Unlike its predecessors, it features a multi-mission payload system capable of carrying a variety of warheads, from high-explosive to penetrator and thermobaric. This flexibility means it can be used in anti-tank missions, bunker-busting operations, or strategic strikes against fortified enemy bases. Analysts believe this will significantly expand Turkey's strike capabilities, both offensively and deterrently. This is not just another guided bomb. It's a message, said Turkish defense analyst Haluk Yilmaz. It signals Turkey's readiness to project power with precision and independence. Behind this success lies the combined expertise of Turkey's leading defense companies. ROKETSAN handled the bomb's propulsion and warhead design, while ASELSAN developed the advanced seeker and control electronics. TÜBİTAKSAGE, known for its work on the SOM cruise missile, contributed to the AI guidance system and aerodynamic optimization. The collaborative approach between these institutions reflects the country's broader defense strategy of leveraging domestic partnerships to achieve rapid technological advancements. Over the past decade, this model has enabled Turkey to produce a range of world-class systems, from smart munitions and radars to unmanned combat platforms. This test comes as Turkey is increasingly asserting its role as a regional power. The successful development of an advanced indigenous bomb system enhances not only its military capabilities but also its geopolitical influence. Experts note that with rising regional tensions in the Eastern Mediterranean, the Caucasus, and the Middle East, Turkey's self-sufficient defense production ensures operational flexibility and strategic autonomy. No longer bound by export restrictions or foreign approvals, Turkish forces can act decisively when national interests are at stake. Furthermore, this progress could position Turkey as a major exporter of smart weapons, especially to allied nations seeking cost-effective yet highly capable munitions. Countries already operating Turkish drones will find this integration process seamless, giving Turkey a significant advantage in the global defense market. The most interesting aspect of this bomb test is perhaps its connection to the upcoming KAAN fifth-generation fighter jet, which is expected to enter service in 2028. Sources at Turkish aerospace industries confirmed that the new bomb system is being refined to be compatible with the KAAN's internal weapons compartment, a key feature for maintaining stealth. By ensuring this integration now, Turkey is laying the groundwork for a fully indigenous strike package, capable of rivaling Western counterparts like the US, F-35 and the Joint Direct Attack Munition System. This synergy between aircraft and weapons design represents a major step toward Turkey's long-term goal, creating a fully domestically developed advanced aviation technology ecosystem. The international defense community has taken notice. Analysts in Europe and Asia view Turkey's achievement as part of a broader trend in which middle powers are increasingly developing advanced indigenous weaponry previously monopolized by a few major powers, some Western. Observers have expressed concern that the proliferation of such advanced systems could shift the regional balance of power. However, others see opportunities for collaboration, noting that Turkey's advances in precision weapons could pave new avenues for joint projects within NATO. In Turkey itself, the test has sparked widespread national pride. The media has called it another milestone in the century of defense self-reliance, echoing President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's vision of a technologically, economically, and militarily self-sufficient Turkey. As the bomb's development enters its final stages before mass production, defense officials have discussed potential export markets and future variants. These might include a smaller version for UAVs, a long-range launch kit, or a smart cluster warhead for area denial missions. Regardless of the specific direction, one thing is clear: the successful test marks the dawn of a new era in Turkish aerial warfare capabilities. What began as a dream of independence has evolved into a tangible force, a force capable of reshaping the dynamics of modern warfare. With every test flight, Turkey is proving that innovation, determination, and national unity can propel a nation into the ranks of the world's top defense powers. And as the smoke cleared from the test range and engineers celebrated their success, one message echoed across the skies: Turkey is ready to lead the future of precision warfare.